The Mavic Air 2 is the perfect companion for the content creator who wants to be really innovative with new and exciting angles that would not otherwise be possible with a traditional camera. Assuming you don't own a helicopter. In that case, use the helicopter. Connect and control the drone easily with your mobile phone and have a range to up to 10 kilometers with the technology OcuSync 2.0. There's a lot of great features in the Mavic Air 2 that will assist you, so you can think more about your angles and your frames instead of the external gimbal controls and extra remotes. By activating the built-in tracking function, the Mavic Air 2 follows whatever objects you select, either fully automatically or only with the camera, allowing you to manage the flight path, track people, animals, cars, and create a beautiful looking video. The Mavic Air 2 also includes the smart feature Quick Shots, which is a series of preset drone effects for your video.
3, 2, 1.
You can choose between the rocket, the drone, the helix, or the boomerang, just to name a few. Just select what you want to follow, what effect you want to use, and how far you want the drone to fly. Press start, and in very little time you'll have a video that is ready to be included in your next project or directly to your social media channels. Mavic Air 2 introduces a new photo mode with its high-resolution 48-megapixel built-in camera. Capture every detail and have a wide range of possibilities in your editing, as you will be able to crop the image more than you ever had before. HDR and panoramic features are also available in the Mavic Air 2, which makes this one of the most powerful stills cameras, sitting on a drone.